If I come over here to InVideo Programming, check this out. Boom. Number one, you can add your avatar. Okay, so if I go to feature your channel, you can add your avatar, which is the image that you have right now as your, like, that's my picture that I have as my avatar for my YouTube channel. Or, right, you can upload a custom image. What that does is it puts that image with one click. If I click on save right now, it would put that image or a custom image across every single video that I have. I could choose if I want that image to be in the top right, left, bottom right, and that shows up on all my videos, okay? And now what happens is when they click on that, boom, they're brought to my channel. Same goes down here, but over here, what happens is instead of it being a thumbnail and a link back to my channel, I can have it linked back to a specific video. Okay, so what you could do is create a sales video. You could create a video about a free webinar that you have on an evergreen funnel. You could do whatever you like, but you can have a video that's either, I wouldn't make it salesy, I would make it something that gives them some type of an offer that's free. Free webinar, free report, that brings them into your funnel. All right, as long as it brings them into your funnel, you're golden. Before we move on, I just want to mention something really quickly, which is on the bottom part of this video where you see the Viralizers logo. In that bar going across, you're about to see an annotation pop up. In the annotation, you're going to see that it's going to say, click here to register for the free YouTube Annotation Formulas webinar. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to click on that pop-up, on that annotation, which is going to bring you, it's going to open up a new tab, all right? So the video will continue to play, but it's going to open up a new tab, and in 2 seconds, you can register for a free webinar that I'm putting together that's going to show you how to add calls to action and use the annotations so that you can build your list and get people over to your site like I'm doing right now, right? I'm mentioning to you that the video is going, you're gonna see an annotation pop up and you should click on it. See how I'm pointing it out to you? These are the type of things that I'm going to be teaching in this webinar. And there's a lot more that I can teach you. There's only so much I can cover in a YouTube video though, right? So just wanted to mention that. So sometime throughout this video, you need to click on that, go register for the webinar so that once you've implemented everything I'm teaching you in this video series, you'll then be able to jump on that webinar and you'll learn all sorts of formulas that you can then apply to this feature. Okay, guys, biggest game changer in social media history, in my opinion, from a marketer standpoint and from a features standpoint, okay? Normally, every time one of these social media sites, like I said, comes out with a feature or an update, I hate them, okay? I usually hate them. They change the whole look. I actually love the look of YouTube now. They're doing some major things. And the way they're integrating now with Google+, I have things that I'm going to be showing you in Viralizers.com. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but believe me when I tell you, we're going to have a lot of fun in 2013. Make sure you go to Viralizers.com, opt into the list as soon as I get it up there. Subscribe to the newsletter, subscribe to the news feed, follow me on Twitter and Facebook, and most importantly, subscribe to me on YouTube. Also, go over to youtube.com/Kevin DaSilva videos. On Twitter, it's twitter.com/Kevin DaSilva. Facebook is facebook.com/Kevin DaSilva fans. And of course, Viralizers.com.